as you can see, I'm standing in front of a rice field. Harvesting is the process of collecting the mature rice crop from the fields. It consists of cutting, threshing, cleaning, hauling and bagging. Harvesting can be done manually with sickles or knives or mechanically with threshers or combines.
Before cutting is the first operation in harvesting. Depending on the crop's condition and availability of labor or machinery, it can be done either manually or mechanically.
First, preparation of soil. Second, sowing. Third, adding manures and fertilizers. Next, irrigation. Fifth, weeding. Sixth, harvesting. Seventh, thrashing. And the last one is storage. Rice is the world's second most popular crop after maize.
The second step of rice harvesting is draining the paddy.
The sowing time of rice is June to July and it harvested in November to December.
Mahatma Gandhi once said, "If you give me rice, I eat it today. But if you teach me how to grow it, I eat it every day."
Rice is a grain that is the main food of about half the world population. It belongs to the grass family. The most rice is grown underwater in paddies. A paddy is a bed of mud and water. Rice paddy head is made up of green and yellow plants.
Rice harvesting. Milling process. Milling means the removal of yellowish husk from paddy so that white or polished rice is obtained. Paddy is set to pass through a variety of rollers till it is milled or polished.
Every rice grain deserves to be eaten and the farmer cultivating it deserves to be respected.